Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Oh, hey!
You know, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to the Benton Police Department here, Cody and his partner. Very nice guys. I record videos, and I recorded in front of Harbor Freight, a place I do business, a place that I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars. And I got out of the parking lot, and I didn't have my shirt on, and I was 300 yards away from the people going in, and they decided that they would call the police and tell them that there's a guy without his shirt on, right, outside of Harbor Freight, yelling at a phone. Well, you weak, fragile, fucking, simple, fucking maggots, right, that live paycheck to paycheck and then talk about toxic masculinity. Just called the police on a guy that spent 20, 30, 40 fucking $1,000 with you, right? And I got something to say about it. And I would love to talk to somebody that's with corporate at Harbor Freight to really voice my opinion and tell them how we'll never fucking do business there again at the Benton store. And then the coward motherfuckers, after we talk to the police, I want to go in and talk to the manager and the paperwork, and guess what? They won't open the door. But they got the time to call the police now, don't they? You weak bitches. You know what I was in front of your store from? You want to know why I was there? Because I was shooting a video, and you'll be able to see it soon, about wanting to come in your fucking store and buy some generators, you jackasses. And you got some lightweight, weak-skinned, no backbone tail fucking coward ass Americans in there in your store that are from me to that fucking deal. You'll see here in a minute that call the law on American trying to do something great for Americans. Y'all can all fucking chunk on one. Yeah. You can't say it no more. It's a sexual crime. But you know what it is. Harbor Freight that motherfucker. Fluid English. Store here in Bryan, Arkansas, or Benton. I don't know what store this is. That just called the law on me for having no shirt on and filming a video. This is Harbor Freight, okay? Right here. And I spend money here. Lots of money here. Right? And so I've got a serious problem with why I would ever do business with Harbor Freight again. Because I'm out there filming a video about North Carolina. And they called the law on me. Because y'all are some fragile motherfuckers. Right? That's what you are. You bitch ass hoes. And the police officer nice enough to understand where I'm coming from. And these people are scared enough to fucking call the cops on me and leave the doors locked and then run away from the fucking doors. And that's what these companies do when it comes to fucking people in need. They run the fuck away from you. Y'all some bitch ass hoes, Harbor Freight. Fluid English. What brought this on, by the way, is that I'm lucky enough and fortunate enough to go to that gym here in Benton that the cops go to too, right? And I film before I go in the gym because I get up at 4 a.m. And I was there, the employees had to be there at 6 a.m. And I was there about 5:50. And these 3 employees, I'm talking 200 yards away, sat on the deck of the deal, smoking their cigarettes, doing whatever they were doing, spitting on their fucking ground, throwing their butts on the ground, and had to watch me make a video about America, and then went in there and called the police. I never spoke to them. Never even looked at them. That's how fragile motherfuckers are. That's how weak you are. No one was messing with you. And this is me messing with you, though, at Benton Store on Military Road. What a bunch of cowards. Soft ass. You know what the worst thing for me to do? The hardest thing for me in life is for me to respect a soft motherfucker. I don't. Fluid fucking English.